And so what's the problem with if you have a conception how a guru should be, then you suffer because you have a conception of how friends should be, people should be, the Dharma should be, the world should be, and that's what makes you suffer. That preconceived, stuck conception. That's what the Guru was trying to break through. You don't go to the Guru with your set of values and morals and ideas and how you think should be, and then you force it on the Guru. Yes, your Guru may be not as smart as you for secular items, but you know what? Your secular knowledge will not help you at the time of death. It's not going to help you when the world blows up. It's not going to help you when you age. It's not going to help you at all. In each day and age, in each place and time, and in each realm and dimension, we have different distractions. We have different ways of manifesting our distractions. We have different types of problems and situations. But an enlightened mind, a compassionate mind, will always manifest in those realms, time, space, and dimension to give the Dharma appropriately to those people at that time. And why? Because ego remains the same. It's timeless, it's spaceless, and it's dimensionless. The ego remains the same. Compassion also is timeless, spaceless, and dimensionless. Those who have compassion, they are beyond space, time, and dimension. Hence, according to the particular time, the particular space, and the particular situation, the Lama will give training to the students to overcome this type of self-projection that restricts them. A real Lama will use many methods to change people's perception and change people's mind so that their perceptions don't make them suffer and chain them down anymore. That's what a real Lama will do. The minute you meet your Lama, he assaults your ego because he loves you and because he doesn't want you to suffer.